In this video, I'm going to show you how to type a square in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily. If you've ever needed the square symbol for notes, math, documents, or formatting, this simple method will help you insert it in just a few clicks without guessing or copying from random websites. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, look on the left side under Create and click Writer Document. This opens a new document where you can type and insert symbols. Now click exactly where you want the square symbol to appear. That's important because the symbol will be inserted right at your cursor position. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Special Character. This is the tool in LibreOffice that lets you add symbols, letters, and special characters that aren't on your keyboard. Once the Special Character window opens, you'll see a list of symbols you can choose from. Now you need to find the square symbol. Depending on what you want, you can choose an empty square, like a box symbol, or a filled square. Look for the square character that matches your needs, such as $OB or $OS. You can scroll through the list or use the search and symbol options if available to locate it faster. When you find the right square symbol, click on it to select it. After selecting the symbol, click Insert. LibreOffice will place the square symbol directly into your document at the cursor location. Then click Close to exit the Special Character window. You'll now see the square symbol inserted into your text exactly where you wanted it. If you want to type more than one square symbol, just move your cursor to the next spot and repeat the same steps. Open Insert, choose Special Character, select the square symbol, and insert it again. It's a very easy process once you've done it once or twice. This method works great if you're making worksheets, documents, checklists, or any file where you need to include symbols instead of regular text. And because it's built into LibreOffice, you don't need any extra software or plugins to do it. So to quickly recap, open LibreOffice Writer, click where you want the symbol, go to Insert, choose Special Character, select the square symbol, and then click Insert and Close. That's all it takes to type a square in LibreOffice Writer. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.